In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Discord server of Adobe Firefly. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Using Google keeps things simple and ensures you land on the official page quickly. Make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load smoothly. In the Google search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You're looking for the official result from Adobe. A quick tip here. Check that the link is on the adobe.com domain and that your browser shows the secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're on the legitimate site. Click the Adobe Firefly website result to open it. If you're new to Firefly, it's Adobe's family of generative AI tools for creative projects. Once the page loads, give it a second for the header to render. You'll notice several icons in the upper right area of the page. That's where you'll find the control we need to jump into the community. Look toward the top right corner for a message or chat style icon. It typically looks like a speech bubble. On smaller screens, that icon might be tucked behind a menu or condensed into a compact layout, but it will still appear near the top. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the site's menu or resizing your window briefly. When you spot the message icon, click it. A small panel or popover will open. In that panel, choose the option that says Join the Discord server. This is the official gateway to Adobe Firefly's Discord community. Clicking it will open a Discord invite page in your browser. Depending on your setup, you may be redirected to the Discord desktop app if you have it installed, or you'll see the invite in the web version. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your Discord account if you aren't already. That's normal. You might also see a brief confirmation screen where you accept the invite. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be added to the server. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the site temporarily or reopen the invite link so it can hand off correctly to Discord. Once you're in, you'll land inside the Adobe Firefly Discord. From there, you can browse channels, read announcements, and engage with the community. If notifications feel overwhelming, adjust your server notification settings to focus on the channels that matter to you. And that's all it takes. You went from a quick Google search to joining the official Adobe Firefly Discord server in a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the community.